A poem, The Duckling or the Dove. The ugly duckling, fable old, has lived today from years ago, a different shape, a different mold. The ugly duckling's love untold. To have a love and not to show, to hold inside by others hold. He loved a girl whose eyes were off, and as he was still, and she was not. The ugly duckling lived alone, then afraid, his love untold. He sent his love in different ways. His love turned music abounding ways. Years have passed, the snows have gone. His wings unfold, the colors shone. The love is here, the story's told, in songs of cheer, in songs unfold. Years of molding deep inside have flourished love like years on wine. The stringent urge for learning love, the duckling has become a dove. So pure and white and smooth his flight has brought the girl and dove in sight. She has fallen in the splendor of the change, of the wonder. Now she stands so motionless. To catch the dove her life has missed. She loves the dove though he is bliss, and floats on past where he has kissed. So the fable now is true, the story's old, the life is new. So where is here? Oh, where's the love in the duckling or the dove? 6/17/1982. Dennis Allen Topoliski, a.k.a. Banjo, BenYahu.